Welcome to Freshers Now channel. Today's video is going to be about mobile engineer. Now this is going to be a sort of the know-to-all job or the role that you are going to hear of or that you have already heard about it. Now mobile engineer is often been seen especially in developing of the mobile applications and designing and implementing all sorts of software programs which in regards to mobiles or devices which are related to mobiles, and also they will be often working with operating systems or iOS. So this is the basic outrole of the profile or the career of an mobile engineer. So we will now know the definition part so that it will be easy and very clear to understand. A mobile engineer is someone or are a type of a software engineer who are also called as like that. They specialize in mobile technology, so they would be working into different operating systems and developing system programs or applications for Google's Android, Apple's iOS and Microsoft Windows phone platforms. So their prior work is going to be in mobiles or mobile devices. So that is the basic role of a mobile engineer. They use the data specifications in order to build that mobile device or to implement that software application in that mobile or mobile device. They also use the data driven set of programs or the software applications in order to develop and eventually give a good running or a easy guide for the user in the development of the programs or the applications. The main responsibility is going to be about create plans and also its documentation, programs which is in accordance with the apps to be running efficiently, and also to write codes and to program them efficiently. So this is going to be the basic responsibility of a mobile engineer. Now we would be heading over to the next section, which is a skills part. So in order to become a mobile engineer, you would be required to have all of these skills, which are Android development kit, SDK, mobile applications, iOS. So you should be well aware of the software applications, the programming, and also to know about how to write code, program it well. You should also know about the languages and also how to program them efficiently and run them accordingly. Another prior role or another prior skill that is associated with a mobile engineer is that along with these skills, they would be also working with other engineers, R&D analysts, designers, and other stakeholders. So this is not just going to be a single four-wall job or the career that you have to be taking up, but it is associated with various other departments in order to bring out that application into existence. To put that into quick action, these skills and these core components are essential for you or the person to be making sure that the particular career or the role or the application which is taken up to be running accordingly and productively. The next part is going to be about what does this person do. So as I've already told, it is about designing, developing and also putting out the operating systems iOS or the software applications into mobile devices appropriately. So this is a clear outlook about what is the role is all about. So a mobile engineer would be designing, developing and also implementing software programs for smartphones and other mobile devices. So as the role is all associated with mobile phones and mobile devices, the person should be eventually having a professional outlook about the trends or the patterns in the market, and also should know about the software programs evolution and how it is being further taken into trended, and also you should know about how are the drenched plans and the drenched programs are being not in use, and should eventually document as to how they are being processed to, because the user should find it efficient and also should be a quick easy tool. However, this person who is in an unprofessional development manner should eventually understand the needs of the user and then eventually develop. So mobile engineer would not only just be focusing on the mobile application development and just put it on the corner, but should also know about the designing, should know about how it should be developed to meet the user needs and also put it into action. Further, should also be quick to use and not just create a chaos or a mess out of it. So should know about how this program is going to run in it and how it is going to be taken into action. All of these are being associated with a mobile engineer. So if you are interested in one, so you can follow these core elements and then you can start off your career as a mobile engineer. Should have prior knowledge in programming languages, as I've already mentioned, such as C#, Java, Objective. And the next one is having working knowledge of mobile operating systems such as iOS and Android. So the basic work or the main responsibility or the work is going to be revolving around these operating systems or the iOS, and ability to interpret and follow the technical plans. So everything as it is going to be running on technical basis. You should also know about the emerging market trends and the evolutions which are bringing out in technology. So all of these are the well-aware elements that a person should be knowing in order to step in or start off your career as a mobile engineer. And next off, we are going to understand what are the job roles that are associated with this. There are some of the job roles, not just developing, designing of a particular app or of a particular program in a mobile, but there are similar job roles which are associated with this so that you can understand it very well. So whitelist developing the application programming interfaces, it should also support the mobile functionality. So this is have to meet the user needs and know how the efficient running of the program or the app is being built off, using and adapting existing web applications for app so that you would know as to how it is being implemented and processed, so that without any bugs or without any sort of chaos, you would be knowing as to how this is being much quick tool to use or quick application to use and easy guide for the user. Keeping up to date with the terminology, concepts and also the best practices with the coding for the mobile applications. So as I've said, emerging market trends and patterns and how they are being implemented into a particular program or the application should be taken care or should be under the awareness or concerns of a mobile engineer. So that is going to be the basic task or the responsibility that should be taken up by a mobile engineer. Now we would be looking into how they are being paid in India and in major other cities. So to start off, this is just going to be on an average basis. Source is taken from PayScale. So if you want and if you wish to, you can check out the website of PayScale as well. This is just on an average basis. So it can be differing from place to place, company to company or organization to organization, or to look into a business perspective, it can also differ from client to client as well. It depends upon the company you are working with and also the application that you are building to. So with this taken into consideration, we would be now looking into an average pay scale in India of a mobile engineer. So on an average basis, they are paid around 5 lakhs per annum. And this is how the career is going to be. So if you start off your career of a mobile engineer, you would start off with a good range of pay, as it is not taking any sort of fluctuations or any sort of a leap year. You can see that it is a steady growth in the career or the professional path. So the starting itself is going to be a high end and eventually over 5 years itself. So within a less span of time, you would be reaching out to a great height in your professional life as you inculcate all the skills and also as much as experience that you have. Eventually your career is going to be taken up on a growth. The next is going to be in Bangalore. So Bangalore being one of the places having a good exposure and a marketplace for all the technology, pay scale for a mobile engineer is going to be around 10 lakhs per annum. And in New Delhi, again another centered market for all of the national, international technologies existing and also emerging, which is going to be around 2,51,000 per year. And if you have any sort of suggestions, even more than these series which I've just mentioned, and also if you are interested in becoming a mobile engineer, then if you have other sorts of opinions regarding this, all of this can be placed in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this, because through this you will just get an awareness and you would just get an outlook of that particular role, and then further you can start doing your research and then stepping into your careers eventually. Subscribe, and thank you for watching.